Hey everybody, I have another quick Simon Says stamp card kit unboxing to go over with you guys. Now I've had my kit for almost 2 weeks now, but I'm just getting around to opening it up and sharing it with you guys. You might have already seen it everywhere: Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. So this is the latest, the December card kit from Simon. I'm just going to pull everything right out of here and we'll go through everything. And so majority of my Christmas cards are already made. The ones that I'm going to be using for this Christmas, but I do definitely want to play around with this card kit. So let me get this inspiration sheet out here so that I can go over the contents of the kit. And this kit is called the Gnome for the Holidays kit. Gnome for the Holidays. And the kit includes one Simon Says stamp Gnome for the Holidays 6x8 inch clear stamp set. And that will be the stamp set right here. And I've been seeing these little gnomes all over Pinterest and Instagram. Really cute stamp set. Has the 3 little gnomes right here and all the little sentiments and elements to put together some really nice Christmas and winter themed cards. So this larger sentiment says Christmas Gnomies. This one says Gnome pun intended. Gnome better holiday. I love you no matter what. I'll be gnome for chilling with my gnome, sweet gnome. Wishing you very happy. No place like gnome. Gnome for the holidays. Merry Christmas. And then this one says ho ho ho. You get all the little snowflake stamps in different sizes. The little winter berries or holly berries. The little Christmas gifts. And just a really fun stamp set to stamp up and color those little images. Lots of fun. Okay, and then you also get one Simon Says stamp little gnome wafer thin die, and that will be this little die here. And I think I do want to make some Christmas tags with this little gnome. I saw a lot of really cute inspiration on Pinterest with this little gnome wafer thin die. So I'm glad they included the little die. And then you get the Christmas Gnome Home 6x6 stencil. And that is the stencil right here. And I saw some really cool cards with the use of this stencil as well. So I'm going to play around with it and then I'll see what I can come up with. But that's the stencil. You also get 12 single-sided sheets of Photoplay Kringle and Company 6x6 papers, and that is these papers right here. Happy ho 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 to you. I love these papers, especially this. I really love that, like plaid. So the back of it is black, but then this one has like the little the string of Christmas lights. And then this one right here is red with tiny polka dots. And here's the gnomes and a little snowman. And the back of this one is my favorite. And then here's some red, like little snowflakes. It says single-sided, but these are all double-sided. Which is always a plus. I love the red, black, and white. And then also the grays are thrown in here. Here's one that says December Christmas Countdown. More of my favorite kind of paper for backgrounds. Those are pretty. Little Christmas trees. Also this one. This is popular now, like really popular. Plain red. Here's another pattern. I love these pattern papers. This is a plain gray, a red and white polka dot, and then this is the pattern on the last page. Love all those papers. And then you also get one sheet of Cartabella light silver shimmer 6x6 cardstock, and that is this one right here. So you get one sheet of that. And then you get 3 mini action wobbles, and that is that. I've not really used wobbles before on any of my cards, so I can't wait to try those out, or maybe one of the little gnomes. Okay, then you get one blending brush right here. Great to use with your stencil and blending your ink. Now, I shared with y'all a while back the blending brushes that I ordered from Amazon, which were like, they're really for makeup, but they work really well for blending my ink to my paper as well. So these are the ones I got off Amazon, and I got a whole pack of different sizes on Amazon. So I'm glad to get this little one too. Okay, and so then you get Simon Says Stamp A2 envelopes in slate, and you get Schoolhouse Red, and also you get a white one. So that's slate, Schoolhouse Red, and a white one. Really, it's gonna go really well with my little cards. Okay, and then last but not least, you get one sheet of Simon Says Stamp 120 pound white cardstock. And then you get one each of Simon Says Stamp 100 pound cardstocks in black and Schoolhouse Red. So this is that Schoolhouse Red, nice thick cardstock. And here's the black. And then this is that 120 pound white cardstock. So that is everything in the December kit. And I will be uploading another video soon, playing around with making some cards from this kit. So that is everything in the kit, and I just want to thank you guys for watching. If you like these videos, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please click the link below to subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Bye.